Here's the question. Why does your French still sound English even after months or years of learning? And it's the same reason why my English sounds French after all this time. It's because we've just been taught the wrong way. It's not that French pronunciation is particularly hard. It's not easy, but it's not super hard. It's just that most courses throw random sounds at you. They go, here you go, this is the French sounds, but they never explain what's actually going wrong for English speakers. And in my case, as a French kid learning English, we were never even taught phonetics, ever, not even the alphabet. So when you don't know, what happens? You mispronounce vowels, you guess nasal sounds, you struggle with the glides, with the R, and then it doesn't matter how much vocabulary, how much grammar you still don't sound French. And that's exactly why I created the French Pronunciation Masterclass for English speakers. This course is the result of 30 years of teaching French to English speakers, so every lesson targets the exact mistakes I've seen thousands of learners make. By the end of the course, you'll finally understand why you sound like an English speaker in French, and more importantly, how to fix it. You'll sound smoother, clearer, and far more natural. Here's exactly what we cover in the course. How French really works. We talk about rhythm, flow, and why it's completely different from English. Then we'll address the 9 critical mistakes English speakers make, so you fix what actually matters. Then I'll give you clear step-by-step training on French vowel sounds, including the glides and the nasals. A simple system to make and master the nasal sounds without guessing. How to use liaison and linking so your French flows more naturally. And all the consonants and silent letters that instantly betray you. We'll do plenty of other things as well, but this is the main curriculum. This course is not just theory. You'll train your ear to hear the difference and your mouth to produce the sounds correctly. Because pronunciation is a physical skill first and foremost. It's not just about knowledge. Now imagine speaking French and people don't switch to English. That'd be nice, wouldn't it? That's when you know you've cracked it. Now, if you're ready to finally sound natural in French, enroll now and let's fix your pronunciation for good. I'll see you on the other side.